Hello and Namaste. I am Unnati. Welcome back to my channel DIY by Unnati. Tomorrow is Teachers Day and I am here with a card dedicated to all my beloved teachers. So without further ado, let's get started. I express my gratitude to all the teachers and wishing them a happy Teachers Day. A poem for the teachers around the world who don't fail to help us grow and make our learning journey joyful. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are light of life. You are a gift from God. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. I know you enjoyed the video, so share it with your teachers and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.